Good evening, friends. Today we will discuss one of the geography topic, important topic that is climate. Now, today in this session, we'll see what is weather, what is climate, difference between weather and climate, and few elements also we'll see variation of the climate in India. Why? What are the factors affecting this climate? Today we will see. First, in our earth on the earth some areas will get hot, some areas will get cold. During summer land will get heated and the person is getting hot, as well as in winter season the person will get cold. Why this is happening? This is because of climate and weather conditions. Now we will see the difference between weather and climate. Weather and climate. What is weather? Weather means the state of atmosphere of an area at any point of time. At any point of time. For example, I was standing here, I am getting heat now. Because of that heat, I am getting sweat. So I am telling that the weather is hot. If someone is sitting in Jammu Kashmir, he is getting cold. Is cold. That there the weather he is telling I am getting weather cool. Like that means the state of atmosphere of an area at any point of time. Any point of time. Climate means it is a average weather condition of a particular region, of a particular region over long period, over long period, long period. It is called climate. If you see the Indian climate is, if you're talking about maybe in Rajasthan Thar desert, maybe in Meghalaya, like that, their climate they are telling average weather of a particular region over a long period. For long period, talking about climate. For short period, that is weather. Okay. Now we'll see India's climate. What is the type of Indian climate? It is monsoon. Indian climate is monsoon. But why we are telling monsoon? If you said climate or weather, then how it came monsoon? Monsoon is an Arabic word. It means seasonal. It means seasonal. Means in India, if you observe, summer, rainy, and winter. Three seasons are there. For 4 months summer, 4 months rainy, 4 months winter. In these 4 months, all are these variations of climate depends on two elements. One is temperature, other one is precipitation, means rainfall. Based on this, if you see this temperature, because of this temperature, in summer in Rajasthan you will get 45 degrees centigrade. Same as well as in Jammu Kashmir, you will get 20 degrees centigrade on the same time. If you see precipitation because of the rainfall in eastern states, you will get more rainfall, high rainfall. In Rajasthan, low rainfall. In that time in Jammu Kashmir, snow also you will get. This type of climatic variations you are observing in India for a long period. This is the continuous process. 4 months summer, 4 months winter, 4 months rainy. Okay. So that's it is called monsoon. Monsoon means it is the seasonal reversal of the wind during an year. Okay, it is called monsoon. It is an Arabic word. Okay. Now we'll see what are the factors controlling the climate. First one is factors controlling climate. Controls climate. Okay. Those factors are latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system. First we'll write and then after that I will explain. Wind system, distance from sea, and ocean currents and relief. Okay. 1, 3, 4, 5. Latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from free sea, ocean currents, relief. These six factors is controlling the climate. In these factors, in some of the factors only controlling the in India. First, we will see worldwide. Okay, what are these factors and how it affecting the climate of India, climate of world. First, latitude. Latitude means this is the Earth, globe. On Earth's surface, the imaginary lines, horizontal imaginary lines, we call it as a latitudes towards poles. Okay, that imaginary line which is going to the central is dividing two separate parts, northern half and southern half. It is called equator, 0 degrees, 0 degrees, and this is north pole. This is south pole. Okay, uh, as you know, Earth revolves around the sun with a tilt angle. With a tilt angle, this equator will get more heat. Will get more heat. Get more heat towards the poles. Towards the poles, the temperature is less. Based on this, based on this, climate is affecting temperature. If as you see, means equator is getting high temperature and poles are getting lowest temperature. Means wherever the equator is getting high temperature, in the sense they the people are staying with hot heat. Okay, like that. Altitude means if you are going towards the height up, cold, it becomes cold, means the atmosphere is less dense. Because of atmosphere less dense, altitude, as you go cold. And coming to the pressure and wind system, here third factor is pressure and wind. How it is affecting? See, this is ocean, this is land. Okay, land. In summer, what will happen? In summer, land will get heat. Because of that heat, water is evaporating, and the water is evaporating. It is a warm, it will be warm means here low pressure. When the air is uplifting towards the air is uplifting towards height. Okay, here low pressure is creating. Compared to this land, here the warm, it is the cold. So cold means high pressure. Air will flow from high pressure to low pressure. Air will flow from high pressure to low pressure. This is the summer thing. When we see the wind, winter season, here the ocean is compared, land is cool means here high temperature, high pressure, here low pressure, oceans. As you know, the wind will blow from high pressure to the low pressure. This is how affecting the rains also. I will tell in India's class. Okay, now if you see distance from sea means this is the India. Here the coastal areas, here the temperature is moderate, means not much of heat and not much of cold. Okay, as you go from the away from the sea, means if you take northern plains, what will happen? In summer they will get heat, more heat. In winter they will get more cold. It is called continentality. This is known as continentality. Okay, this is the climatic variations. And as well as, if you see next factor, that is ocean currents. Ocean currents means the ocean water is flowing constantly in definite patterns. It is called the ocean currents, which affecting the climate also. That is a just streams next topic, it will come. As well as relief as altitude, as you discussed. Here if you see, this is village 1, here mountain M1, and village 2. What will happen when the winds are blowing like this? When the winds are, see, village 1, and this is mountain M1, village 2. When the winds are blowing, here it is coming, it is hitting and striking to this mountain. Because of that, the winds are not going towards not passing the mountains. It is here barrier is there, so the reversal happening, reversely means it is back, going back, returning back. Here the precipitation will be happen, clouds means this village 1 will get the rainfall after some time, village 2 is not getting. This is the relief future, which how it is affecting the climate, you see. Okay, these are the factors controlling the climate. This is the few points related to the climate. Thank you.